Hello everyone, welcome to NEET Buddy. Here we are providing you with daily biology MCQs so that you can have little extra practice for the coming NEET exam and gain confidence for the coming NEET exam. We have already finished revising class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology once, and this is the second time revision of class 11th NCERT biology that is going on. And today I'm going to provide you with the MCQs from the chapter that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. When during the meiotic division do the homologous chromosome pair with each other? Option A, leptotene, option B, pachytene, option C, zygotene, or option D, metaphase 1. Pairing of homologous chromosomes during the meiotic division occurs in which stage? The correct answer is option C, that is zygotene. Now remember, meiotic division, two parts, meiosis 1, meiosis 2. In meiosis 1, prophase 1, there are 5 stages. What are those? Leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene, and dikinesis, right? In the zygotene stage, the pairing of homologous chromosome occurs. And what is the pairing process called? Right, synapsis. Question number 2. What does interkinesis refer to? Option A, stage between two mitotic division. Option B, stage between two meiotic division. Option C, other name of interphase, or option D, none of these. What does interkinesis refer to? The correct answer is option B. It is the stage between two meiotic division. Question number 3. At G1 stage, which phenomenon takes place? Option A, DNA synthesis. Option B, RNA synthesis. Option C, reverse transcription. Option D, all the above. At G1 stage, which phenomenon takes place? The correct answer is option B, that is RNA synthesis. Question number 4. In which stage chromosome is longer? Option A, leptotene. Option B, zygotene. Option C, pachytene, or option D, dikinesis. In which stage chromosome is longer? The correct answer is option A, in the leptotene stage. The leptotene stage is the first stage of prophase 1, and the chromosomes gradually become visible in the leptotene stage, and the compaction of chromosome continues throughout the leptotene stage. Question number 5. Which effect is impaired by colchicine? Option A, duplication of DNA. Option B, duplication of number of chromosomes. Option C, formation of spindle fibers. Option D, inhibits cell plate formation. Which effect is impaired by the drug colchicine? The correct answer is option B, that is, it inhibits duplication of number of chromosomes. Question number 6. How many mitotic division are needed for a single cell to make 128 cells? Option A, 7. Option B, 14. Option C, 28. Option D, 32. Number of mitotic division that a cell must undergo to produce 128 cells. The correct answer is option A, 7 mitotic divisions. Question number 7. The artificial synthesis of DNA was first accomplished by option A, Khurana. Option B, Watson and Crick. Option C, Nirenberg. Option D, Kornberg. Artificial synthesis of DNA was first accomplished by. The correct answer is option D, that is Kornberg. Question number 8. During cell division in apical meristem, nuclear membrane reappears in. Nuclear membrane reappears in option A, interphase. Option B, telophase. Option C, prophase, or option D, S phase. In which stage of cell division the nuclear membrane reappears? The correct answer is option B, that is telophase. Question number 9. DNA synthesis can be specifically measured by estimating the incorporation of radio-labeled. Which of the following 4 in radio-labeled form is used to estimate the DNA synthesis? Option A, uracil. Option B, adenine. Option C, thymine, or option D, deoxyribose sugar. The correct answer is thymidine. radiolabeled thymidine is used for estimating the amount of DNA synthesized? Question number 10. The decision for cell division occurs in a cell at option A, S phase, option B, G2 phase, option C, G1 phase, or option D, M phase. In which of the phases does the cell decide to divide? The correct answer is option C, that is, it decides in G1 phase that it has to divide. And what happens in S phase? Right, the replication of the DNA starts in the S phase. Question number 11. DNA replication takes place in option 1, G1 phase, option B, G2 phase, option C, S phase, option D, mitotic phase, or the M phase. DNA replication takes place in. The correct answer is option C, that is S phase. Question number 12. During mitosis, chromosomes go to their poles in a stage called. In which of the following four stages does the chromosome go to their respective poles? Option A, prophase, option B, metaphase, option C, anaphase, or option D, telophase. The correct answer is option C. In anaphase, the chromosomes move towards their poles. Question number 13. Tips of chromosome are called option A, centromere, option B, chromosome, option C, telomere, option D, metamere. Tips of chromosomes are called. The correct answer is option C, telomere. Question number 14. Exchange of chromosome segments between maternal and paternal chromatids during meiosis is known as. Exchange of the chromosome segments is known as option A, linkage, option B, dominance, option C, crossing over, option D, DNA multiplication. The correct answer is option C, that is crossing over. Question number 15. Which of the following cell division is found in prokaryotic cell? Option A, mitosis, option B, meiosis, option C, amitosis, or option D, all the above. The type of cell division seen in prokaryotic cells. The correct answer is option C, that is amitosis. So those are the MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time, with another set of MCQs from the next chapter of class 11th NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you are new out here, do go and click that red button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.